Hey everyone, it's David at Train Day, and today I'm going to show you how to create some healthcare training and learning, right? Using trainday.io and actually convert it into a PowerPoint presentation, right? So we're going to start off with a PDF document and convert it to a PowerPoint after we're done, right? So here we are at trainday.io. I'm going to go ahead and log in here, and this is the PDF document that we're going to use, Home Health Aid Handbook, right? We're just going to use this. I just found this and I downloaded it. So what we're going to do is go to create and we're going to say, let's just say onboarding, right? Or actually, let's just do a custom one, right? So we're going to do a custom one and I'm going to say summarize this, right? Next, and we're going to use the PDF. So let's just find it on our desktop right here. And yes, is the PDF we want to use. We say use this data. And we're not going to use a theme because we're not going to use the AI to create us a template. We're just going to use a blank one and add our own theme after it's already created, right? So we have a healthcare theme that we created in Canva, and we're going to apply that to our course, and that should give us the look and feel that we want, right? So right now, it's using that PDF document to create all the slides, all the video scripts, add the presenters, create the titles for the slides, and an interactive quiz, multiple choice, so that we could track all of our learners' retention with the quiz score, right? And then, we can create little knowledge checks along the way, eventually export it to a scoring package and use it in your own learning management system, or you could just use it in our learning management system that comes with the platform. Or what we're going to do is actually export it to a PowerPoint presentation. So here we go. This is our course. Let's go ahead and add our theme. We're going to use this healthcare theme. There we go. And let's check out what our course looks like right now.
Welcome to our training course for home health aides. Today, we'll cover key caregiving skills.
All right, so you see that the guy's kind of like in the way of the logo. We can just move him a little bit right here. That's absolutely fine. We can go back, and if we look at our preview again, you can see that he's actually out of the way of the logo and looks perfect.
Welcome to our training course for home health aides. Today, we'll cover key caregiving skills.
So that looks great. We can edit it. We can translate it 30 different languages if you need to. If you want to change the presenter out, you can. That's absolutely fine. Like say if we don't want this person in here, let's say we just moved him right there, switched him with this lady, did a preview.
Hello, I am here to make your...
And that's perfect, right? Even got her out of the way right there. Boom. So that looks great. You can go and edit along the way. You can add a little bit of a quiz if you want. Either way. So now what we want to do is let's generate this video here. Generate this slide. We'll click yes. We want captions. And after we generate the slide, then we'll have two slides that have already been generated for our course, and we're going to actually export them into a PowerPoint, right? So here's our slide. Let's check it out.
As a home health aide, you're responsible for assisting clients with daily activities, such as bathing, dressing, and meal prep.
So that looks good. That actually looks great for us. So, if you preview it, your course actually has two slides completely generated now.
As a home health aide.
This one and that one. And what we could do, if you really need to, is you can export these if you want to use them in PowerPoint or SCORM. So we'll just click Start. You don't want to close this tab right now because it's kind of recording the canvas. So just let it do its thing. It'll let you know when it's okay to close it. And then we'll get a notification when our slide is completely done and ready to export into PowerPoint or SCORM, right? There we go. So we can close that now. Go back and let's generate this other one so we can export this slide along with the first slide. And we'll close this one. We'll go back and we'll get an email when those slides are actually done. And also another little notification right up here at the top, right? So that should only take about a minute or two, maybe 5 minutes, and we'll get our slides completely done. All right, so it looks like our slides are completely done. We'll go ahead and clear the notifications, go back to our courses, click on this, and you can see by the little lightning bolt that the courses are actually done. We could check them out real quick right here.
Welcome to our training course for home health.
So that looks pretty good. So what we're going to do now is actually export this as a PowerPoint. We'll just click export, export PowerPoint, and we'll check this slide first, this slide second in the order, and we'll create the document. So now we'll get the PowerPoint file and we'll bring it over to Microsoft 360 and check out how it looks. So we'll download it here. Here we go. I'm just going to put this on my desktop. And let's go to Microsoft 360. And I'm going to upload this. And let's see what our final result looks like. You know, you could generate as many slides as you want. Export them after you generate the slide and use them in another PowerPoint presentation just like this, right? So let's see how this looks. All right, here are slides in PowerPoint.
Welcome to our training course for home health aides. Today, we'll cover key caregiving.
Let's check out this one.
As a home health aide, you're responsible for assisting clients with daily activities, such as bathing, dressing.
So that's it, creating your PowerPoint presentations with all your trained aid presenters and your courses and your themes. I hope you enjoyed it and can't wait to see what you build with Train Day. See you next time.